But let's get to San Francisco faster with a search and find a particular block I heard about. I hear this is a really steep street. Let's use the measure tool. In meters or imperial for feet, 500 feet. But if we use the elevation tool, looks like in the last half a block, it drops 20 meters over 60 feet and 220 feet. Let's see what this looks like in 3D. It shows the same area when you switch 2D to 3D. When I measure in 3D, you can see the change of this triangle. Let's rotate a bit. Now, over here is Lombard Street. If we use a different base map, it's cool because you can see what it's like someplace without actually having to be there. Places like the White House. Let's close this pop-up and move things to get a better view of the place. I'm going to finish by returning to where we are now